Okay, good afternoon, Prof. I'm so glad to see you in there.
Yes, me too.
Let me introduce myself. I'm Dede Nur Anissa. I'm from Seisuka High School. Can I ask you a question, Prof?
Yes, please.
How are the chemical enthusiasts there? Too many or students consider it difficult?
Oh, Professor, how about the chemistry lesson? Is it difficult for them in Taiwan, in senior high school?
Yes, I think we discussed this question yesterday with the teachers, right?
Yeah, the two teachers.
For the science major students in Taiwan, they like biology first. The second difficult is chemistry. And physics is the third difficult, and the mathematics is the most difficult. Oh, I'm sorry. I should say the easy one is biology, then chemistry, physics, and the mathematics.
Yes.
So yes. So actually, most students prefer biology more than chemistry, because biology they can see the real the life animals, life plants. Yes, yes. So it's quite interesting to students.
Okay, thank you, Professor.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Prof.
Your English is very good.
Yes, thank you so much.
Hello, Professor.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Leny Novita, and
Okay.
I'm at senior high school at Seisuka in North Sumatra.
Wow.
I'm so glad to meet you.
Yeah, and it's my pleasure too. Your English is good.
Okay, thank you.
English, yes.
I want to learn.
Do you like chemistry? Do you like chemistry?
Yes, I'm very like.
Uh-huh. Okay. Which part of chemistry is your favorite?
I know that chemistry is so difficult, but sometimes it's so very happy for me.
Oh, okay. All right. So I'm glad to hear that. So studying chemistry makes you feel happy, right?
Yeah, I'm very happy.
You feel like Leny and like your teachers, right? When they study and teach chemistry, so they feel very happy, right? Okay.
Okay, Professor. Can I ask you something?
I'm sorry, yes. What you want to ask me?
Oh, okay. I don't ask about chemistry, but I just want to give motivation if we want to school abroad in another country.
Motivation? Well, I think that do you want to travel around the world? Do you want to go to see the other countries? If you want to see the world, then it's a good motivation. Because I believe you can start any country. You can find a good university in any country. Indonesia, you have a good university to help you learning chemistry. And in Taiwan, we have a good university too. And so it depends on where you want to. If you want to see the other countries, then it's a good motivation. You can, because the world is quite, this world is so different. So, even though we can see the world online, but it's different if you can see it by yourself.
Okay, thank you, Professor.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Nak. Terima kasih, Nak.
Good afternoon, Prof.
Hi.
My name is Hudaya Aprenita. I'm 11th grade. I'm from Antoprapat High School. Can I ask you something?
Yes, please.
What are the tips and ways that professors do so you can answer the chemistry problems easily?
what is your tips or your tricks to solve the problem, the chemistry problem?
The tips or tricks?
Tricks?
Well, yeah, but it depends on which kind of chemistry problem. So, you mean the tips to learn the chemistry, or to solve the chemistry problems?
Yes, to solve the question. Yes, the chemistry question.
Oh, okay. I'm not sure what kind of chemistry questions you are talking about, but generally, well, if you got a trouble to solve the question, then first you think about what's the key concept in that question. I'm sorry, let me say again. You think about, okay, what you needed to solve in that question, and then you think about the key concept of the question, and then you try to find the solution. If you cannot do it, just discuss with your teachers or your friends. I think discussion is very important in science learning too. Well, it's also important in I think discussion is always important when you learn anything, right? So just ask and discuss. Okay.
Yes. Thank you, Professor.
Okay.
Oh yeah, thank you, Prof.
Thank you.
Okay.
Hello, Professor. Let me introduce myself.
Yes.
My name is Resi Maria. I'm from North Sumatra High School. So I want to ask you one question.
Yes.
To be honest, I'm not really good at chemistry lesson. So, in your opinion, how can a student like me who not really good at chemistry to be like chemistry lesson more?
Well, it's a big question. Okay, but I think you just need to okay, you need to get close to the chemistry. That means to get more familiar with chemistry. So, for example, you can think about what the difficulty when you learn chemistry, because why you feel you are not good at chemistry, because you don't understand the concept, or your problem is, or your okay, let me say again. You need to think about the concept and the calculation and the experience, the application. Which part is most difficult to you? Okay, like some students prefer to learn the chemistry story, which means how chemists develop this concept. So by reading the stories, they understand more about the chemistry. Okay, but some students they just prefer to learn the concepts. So and the other student may like to do the experiment. So everyone has a different way to learn chemistry. So you can decide. I mean, you can find out which is the best way for you to learn. Okay. And also, do you have the science popular books in Indonesia? What I mean is, it's not the textbook, but it's like a novel, but it introduces the chemistry. So maybe it's more interesting for you to read these books. These books can help you to understand more about chemistry. Halo, Leny.
Halo, iya Bu. Jadi kata Ibu tuh gini, nah, kalau untuk bagi siswa yang tidak suka kimia, nah itu kan cara belajarnya kan beda-beda kan. Jadi kamu bisa belajar, misalnya kamu sukanya membaca. Nah, kamu bisa membaca misalnya buku sains yang dia memenangkan hadiah Nobel gitu, yang berkaitan dengan kimia. Nah, ada juga siswa yang suka perhitungan kan. Jadi dia bisa juga melakukan latihan perhitungan tentang mempelajari ilmu kimia gitu. Jadi tergantung tergantung karakter orangnya, karena ada juga orang yang tidak bisa menguasai konsep tapi dia bisa perhitungan gitu. Jadi kita kembali lagi ke hobi kita misalnya belajarnya baca, ya udah kita baca tentang kimia gitu biar kita suka kimia. Oke, jelas?
Professor, thank you so much for answering my question.
No problem. I hope you find the chemistry becomes more interesting to you, and I hope you
hopefully.
learn it. Yeah,
Thank you.
no problem.
Nah, anak ibu Natasha, silakan nak.
Bu.
Iya. Please
Good
English.
afternoon,
Yes.
Professor.
Good afternoon.
My name is Natasha. I'm from a public high school in Sumatra Utara, North Sumatra. Could you please give me some tips or tricks on how to understand the chemistry concept more?
Okay, how to understand the chemistry concepts more?
Yeah, because
Wow.
sometimes it's very difficult to understand.
Yeah, I know. Like sometimes the concepts are difficult to me, But can you give me an example? Which concept is difficult for you to understand? Can you give me an example? Which concept is difficult?
Konsep apa nak yang sulit di kimia?
For example, like for these days, we learn acid and base, and sometimes I don't understand about it like that.
Oh, okay. So maybe just think about acid and the base by the examples. For example, we have a strong acid and a weak acid, right?
Yeah.
So you just find the real strong acid and the weak acid in your life. For example, like in our in the family, maybe we will use the hydrochloric acid, HCl. HCl is a strong acid, right? And also you will use the acetic acid, right? Acetic acid, CH3COOH, is a weak acid, right? Actually, acetic acid is the vinegar, right? We cook it, right? I mean, we use the vinegar to cook, right? Yeah. So maybe you can just and then you just think about their properties. What's the difference between the HCl, strong acid, and the acetic acid? Then maybe you can understand more. You can know more about the difference. Okay, just link the concept to the real examples, because chemistry is around us, so it's very easy to find the relation, between the concept and the real chemicals. It's very easy to find out. So it will make you feel, maybe it can help you to learn more. Okay, and the second suggestion is, to discuss with your teachers and your friends. Okay, discussion can help, because discussion helped me a lot when I have trouble. So I believe the discussion can help you too. Okay.
Thank you so much for the tips and tricks. I'll try it later. I'm very happy to see you.
Me too. Okay.
Thank you. Another.
Hope. Okay, and okay. And if you have any question about acid and base, ask Leny. Leny is your online teacher. Leny,
Yes, please.
Responsibility to help your student. Okay.
Yes, please. Just ask.
Okay.
Oke, Alwan, silakan nak. Alwan. Ya, oke, silakan.
Hello, Prof.
Hi.
Before that, I want to introduce myself. My name is Alwan Lubis. I'm from South Rantau Senior High School. I want to ask you something about the education tricks in your country, the middle of the coronavirus, in that order, in this order.
How about the education in our in Taiwan, Professor? Because
Yes.
it's the COVID-19 outbreak, right?
Oh, but the education in Taiwan is
The tricks education.
Yeah, you mean the just like now you study at home, right? So you ask me how about our study in Taiwan, right? Our education in Taiwan. Right, Leny?
Yes.
The students want to ask if COVID-19 influence our education in Taiwan, right?
Yes.
Well, you know, unfortunately, I think we control the COVID-19 in Taiwan. So actually, most, I think over 90% students go to the school as normal, as usual. So, well, just like in NDHU, we just teach. I mean, we keep the usual way to teach and learn. Okay, and if the school, but I think less than 10%, schools they need to stop for a while, but not the whole semester. For example, like my daughter, she studied in Taiwan Normal University, and because there are two
Suspect.
Yeah, two cases.
Yes, cases.
University. So in Taiwan, the government decided if there are two people two people and have the COVID-19, then the whole school needed to stop for at least 2 weeks. So my daughter's school actually the school stopped for more than about 4 weeks. So my daughter came home and to study at home. But the teacher just used the online, like Google Classroom or Google Meet, just like what you do right now to learn. Okay, so teacher and the student try to find different ways to keep the class going. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, that
Is it
sudah
working?
jelas. What? Can you repeat it again?
I want to ask once again.
Yes.
Is it
Yes.
working?
Is it okay?
Wait, I can hear you. Yeah, we hear you.
Is it working? Is it success, Professor?
It's just
Yes.
You mean the online education in Taiwan?
The government do about the education?
Yes, yes.
Yes, it works.
It works in Taiwan. Yes.
Thank you so much, Prof.
Thank you. Very nice to hear you asking a question. Okay, I think you are the first young boy students I met online.
Yes.
Yeah. So I think the boys needed to speak up. The girls,
Thank you.
students, they are more brave. Actually, like in Taiwan, girl students would like to speak more than boy students. Yeah, in Taiwan.
Thank you, Prof.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, thank you. Good job.
Nice to talking to you.
Me too.
Silakan, Nak.
Hello, Professor.
Yes. Hi.
I want to introduce myself. My name is Nurulina Aulia. I went to high school to Beberapa, North Sumatra. I want to ask something about Indonesian. What is your opinion about joining Google Meet with Indonesian?
Oh, Professor, what is your opinion about our online learning between Taiwan and Indonesia, like this?
Well,
in Google Meet?
okay. It's my second time doing the online learning. Yesterday was my first time. Today is the second time.
Second
So
time.
I think that it's a very good try. I'm so happy with the I have a chance to see, you know, we are in Indonesia and in Taiwan. Learning is in Taiwan, but we can all learning and teaching together from online. Yeah, I think it's good. Yeah, let's keep doing it. But you know, we needed to be used to do that. But if we want to make the online learning work, then students, you know, the teachers need your help because you need to study. Well, for you study online, when you join the online class, just keep concentrate on the online class. Okay? So what I mean is don't just, you know, if you are looking at, when you join the online course, just don't do something else at the same time. Then you will lose your, you know, you will, okay?
Thank you so much, Professor, for interested and nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you too. So okay, so I will log out. Okay?
Oke, Profesor.
Yeah, thank you
Thank you very
so
much, Prof.
Sorry.
Thank you, Profesor.
Thank you, Professor.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye.